Hello guys, welcome to my Realtek channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to install and update Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Install your Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, and I will show you a simple method to do this. First of all, you just need to right click on your start menu. You can see a device manager. Just click on that. In this, you can share sound and video and game controller. You need to double click and expand. Here you will find your high definition audio device. You just need to right click on that, click on update driver. Before clicking update driver, you have to make sure that you have connected to the internet. After that, just click on search automatically for the drivers. Or another option is, you can see here browse my computer for the drivers. You can select this option also. Here you can see let me pick from the list of the available drivers. Here you can just select the audio device and click on next. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, you just need to open the Chrome browser. Here you need to type download Realtek HD audio driver. After that, you need to type which OS you are using. If you are using Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11. Suppose I am using Windows 11, so I will type Windows 11. I am using Windows 11, so I am typing the Windows 11. Just hit enter. Here you can see Intel website www.intel.com, Realtek high definition audio driver for Windows 10 or Windows 11. It will be same. Just click on that. Here you can see download audio for Windows 10 or Windows 11. You can see the size of this driver. Just click on download. The driver will be downloaded. After that, you need to install that. After installation, you just need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting, hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can install and update Realtek HD audio driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.